Back to my channel. I'm going to Triple Seafoods Wholesale and Retail. This is where I bought my seafoods.
Mommy,
And it's cheaper, guys.
Mommy,
Yeah.
who is guy?
Yeah, so good.
Who
Say hi,
is guy?
Julian, say hi.
Who's that guy?
That's the kids with the, I mean
No,
the owner's kids.
He's looking at you like you're a weirdo. Seriously.
Come on, Julian, say hi.
Hi.
Here, right here. Say hi.
No.
Ay, no daw. Okay, bababa na ako guys kasi tinitingnan na ako ni Dahabi. Babush. Tomorrow you're gonna have the whole one, sir?
No, just hopefully next week.
Next week? Oh, wow.
We only bring it for a week.
Yeah, always.
My bag got caught on fire.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I had an accident and everything got burned up. My coffee, my van, everything.
Oh. You mean your house?
My van. The van that I pick up my products in.
Yeah.
Yeah, it got caught on fire.
It's raining here today, guys. Yep, this is our weekend today. It's raining so bad, guys. So, all my friends from Texas, careful guys driving and be safe. Happy Saturday. It's raining so bad today, huh? Yep, that's our Saturday today, guys. It's raining. Oh, my kids want to play in rain. RJ, Jaden,
Hi.
where's Bones? Lakas ng kulog at kidlat, guys. Yep, nakakamiss, no? Parang Pinas. Happy Saturday sa inyong lahat, guys. And today we're just gonna watch movie at home. Family time. Hope you guys have a great weekend. My God, my garden, guys. Nalunod na. Malunod na yung garden ko, guys. Giatay. Nalunod na sa tubig. Hello. Oh my goodness. Happy Saturday, guys. I'll see you guys on my next video. Rowie is here. Sarap matulog, guys. Lakas ng ulan. Bye, guys. I'll see you guys on my next video.